bully. You just don't like it that I got you tenfold.
No, you bullied me.
You can't bully a bullier.
You assaulted me sexually.
Thank you for the heart, me. Your no-go zone. Invite me if you come. Your no-no space.
Yeah.
I didn't realise you had a no-no space.
Well, that's fucking rude.
Is it rude? Or is it just the truth?
No, rude.
I'm pretty sure it's just the truth, babe.
It's your no-no space now.
In my no-no space now. What was that? Hello. You look wrecked. I am absolutely wrecked. It's been a long fucking weekend, I tell you. But it's been great. What's for dinner? We have got broccoli. I was going to do a broccoli cauliflower cheesy thing, but up country. That's not the case because I've run out of time. So I am doing Jeremy's favourite garlic potatoes. So I'm putting that on now. Hey, I'm good, just really bloody tired. Plenty of butter. I can't believe it's not butter. So this weekend, let me tell you about my weekend. Oh, fuck, has it what? Thank you for the heart, me. Possum. Hi, how did you? It went really good. So we spent literally all day yesterday in the yard. So we did the backyard in the morning, front yard in the afternoon, and then we finished off the day where we watched K-pop Demons or whatever it's called, and the Lilo and Stitch, the real life one, and then what's that?
Live action.
The live action. And then today.
You're in the lingo, babe.
And then today we ended up going out to Jeremy's parents in Narrawahia. Is everything okay, Amy? And then we went from there to pick up Austin from Thomas's. And then from there we ended up, from there we went to Jeremy's sister and brothers. So I got burnt, but that's okay. Oh, they'll turn to tan. Go. You've been in my bubble all bloody weekend. How about you go have a shower? And then because my daughter has been a pain in my ass, she was going to drop Isabel off home. So I was like, cool, you can take Austin back to her dad's. No, you can be a mother, blah, blah. I'm like, whatever. Not even dealing with that. So I drove all the way to my ex's house in Hamilton, in Morrinsville, just out of Morrinsville, dropped off Austin, picked up Belle and Matthew, and got home. I am. Thank you for the gifts, Wendy. Right. So, no, not my daughter that's pregnant. The other one. Right. So let's dish up babies. I'll show you what's on the menu because I will dish it up with babies, Kai. There. But it's been a really, really fucking amazing weekend. I'm not going to lie. I've had... country. such a good weekend. Ow, that's hot. That's best not be falling down because that's steaming. Whoop. So, it burnt me. Yeah, I'm okay. It's just the steam. I'm fine. So, hey? Oh, really? I'm okay though. Thank you. I love the shorts too. They're from Temu. So I'm coming in. I have got some honey soy chicken breasts. I'm good, Jessie. How are you? Are you hungry, Bubba? Oh, it looks so freaking good. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not even pumping my own horn here. You're so excited. I'm so excited for you. And then we're gonna come in with some broccoli. Some broccoli and cauliflower. And also a garlic potato. So that there is dinner tonight. It was literally something that I could throw together. Jeremy kept asking if he could help. I'm like, nah, I got it. I got this. I got this, okay? Go ahead.
No, you wouldn't let me drive. You wouldn't let me cook.
Yeah, you're allowed to relax sometimes too, you know. That was a bit sore when I burnt myself just then, but never mind. I'll be right. Thank you for the gifts, guys. No, I've just got 7 o'clock starts, which means I'm going to be extra fucking tired, so I know that it's going to... Excuse me, Mr. Creedster. I know for a fact it's going to be you carrying me this week, so while I've got energy, I'm doing you. You son of a gun. Thank you. Num num. Right. Hot. I have this now. What? You want some cucumber too? You love your cucumber. Yep, got the yard work done yesterday. Gotta redo the lawns at some stage. Because the lawns were so bad. Because of the stupid weather that's happening. And we even planted our strawberries. So, yeah. Pretty stoked about that. You want some of this? The marinade is literally, I just put a jar of this on. I probably used way too much, but just use that marinade there. Come in with a spoon because there's heaps of juice, and I'll put some juice on as well. So now I'm just waiting for that to cool down. So I'll do...
It's still going, basically.
What?
This. Walking like this.
Who's doing that? Oh. So she's got the rest of Creed's chicken. But yeah, no, fucking good day, lots of sun, and I was taking advantage with working in an office. I was taking advantage wholeheartedly.
Hey, show Mum. Birdie, birdie, birdie. Birdie, birdie, birdie.
Birdie, birdie, birdie to you.
Look how he walks. You get to see him as well. He was like walking like this.
Oh, was he?
Yeah.
Right, hot. Hot. Right, here go.
You tried getting my hair and I'm going to quickly go to the toilet.
Okay. Right, that's Belle's. She doesn't want garlic potatoes and she doesn't eat cauliflower. So I'd rather give... Hey, from the UK, what part? I'd rather give that all to people that are going to, you know, eat it. Right. Now, for anybody that's new following us, we have Creed. What are you doing? Put it in the rubbish. Now that is piping hot. So, as I was saying, for those that are just following us, we have 2 type 1 diabetic children. So if you see me weighing stuff like carbs, that is the reason why, because we need to use it to work out insulin. Did you want to pause it, babe, and I'll tell you how many grams?
Yep.
What about Midlands? No, I've only just started, Coral. Oh, okay then. You do you, boo.
Huh?
Oh, he's
You ready? I want to show you my feather box.
155 for salad.
What?
Boiled potatoes.
Better.
Creed, I'd really appreciate it if you moved.
Put it down there, go and put a waffle marker.
Thank you.
Come here.
No, I don't have baby gates. Sorry, hun.
What did you say?
You are early.
Boiled potatoes.
Boiled potatoes.
Whiteboard marker.
And what's the weight?
155.
155. Alright, Summit, you got 23 grams.
Do I write it up?
Just put 23 with an S, or S23.
Ooh.
There's some wrong in there, Tyler. You're better off leaving them. It doesn't matter if there's holes in them. They hunt to eat.
Yeah.
That's why you got to let them out. Let them free so they can hunt their own food to eat.
Yeah. I'm going to put other box in there for
Okay?
Yep.
Oh, well, don't come crying to me when it cuts it. Well, how much for Taylor?
I haven't weighed her yet.
Ella needs a bigger container so she can put bumps all around for its own food.
Yeah.
And other
We'll
things.
try something with it.
The spiders live in different areas.
Yeah, no, we don't have any. Sorry, doll.
Hey,
Okay.
well,
Hypo.
you know,
And that there is Summits. Now we're going to do...
who may or may not be having hyper right now.
Who may or may not be having an iPod.
Fucking pain in the ass.
Bloody boy. So with a Thaler, we'll come in with hers. A Thaler's got 200. Shit. Oh fuck, I haven't even got your plate yet. Oh, I'm all over the
What's
place.
that? 29 for a Thaler. Can you put up 29 for a Thaler or yours? 829 or something?
Why they get different carb amounts? Because I generally tend to give a Thaler a bit more because she'll eat more than the other kids. Right. Chicken with some juice.
Set it up like right here. I feel like I'm showing the TikToks.
Do some
I get
cauliflower. Not yeah, this is cauliflower. Cauliflower.
But what's in the dust box?
And we're coming in with some broccoli. Like that. Right. And that there is a Thaler's. You guys need to hurry up because I'm running out of room because your guys' plates.
Yeah, that's chicken dinner. How long do you do chicken dinner?
We're having to do old school for Thaler because her pump malfunctioned. So she's on old school. So the dish is, we have got chicken breast, which is really, really tender. And we'll put some juice. Okay, and then Olivia has some garlic potatoes. She'll have a couple, not very many. And she does like cauliflower. She tried to tell me one day she didn't. She tried it. She's like, oh, Mum, I actually really like that. Some cauliflower.
My legs are tan from today.
What is that?
Yeah.
And some broccoli. There you go, baby girl. That's yours.
Hi, baby girl. I want to sit at the table.
Yeah, set the table. What's old school for? Okay, so they have obviously, if you guys remember, they've both gone on to pumps.
Oh yeah. Can you get some of the hydro juice, please?
Yeah. Hello.
Well, rather than be, do you want a bit more chicken?
Yeah, they're in the car.
Oh, okay.
There's juices over here.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got a whole bunch of them. I'll put in the car today too.
You sure that's enough? Did you want some more cucumber?
Really soft. Can I take away the chicken?
You don't want the chicken?
No. Can I have more cucumber though?
You can have more cucumber, yes.
Can I have some cucumber?
How about you eat what's on your plate first, chicken licken?
Go on.
Holy shit! He
What?
told us he was finished his juice.
No, really? That never happens. Oh shit.
Hey, sorry. Put a 10-minute timer on.
10 minutes starting
Oh.
now.
Huh?
18.5.
Jesus, though.
That might have been the ice block on the way home, baby.
Yeah, what's going to do in a hot crunch?
Would you let me have some frozen dinner?
Yeah, but did you have a few or did you have a whole heap?
I had about like 5.
This here is chicken. Creedy boy, did you want to take Creeds in, babe?
Oh, Greedy boy just had these.
Oh, Jesus.
And he was going like this to him.
Who knows where the black remote is too?
There we go.
Down, please.
Hey, Tina. So that there is Kai tonight.
Check this chair. How many grams of carbs was Thaler?
Oh, you have a box?
29.
Not under. Not under. So let's
Right.
check it up.
So that's Ollie's. That one.
So, what have you got there? So that's away. 9.5.
We've got Summits. And then we've got a Thaler's.
Do you have some applesauce with my cauliflower?
We haven't got any applesauce. Where does the Thaler normally sit? Yeah.
9.5.
Summer, did you clean up all that glass? Because it feels like I keep standing on bloody glass. Right, now we're going to do the man's feed.
Well, Taylor didn't. I was going to ask Daddy, but Taylor said you would say no, Daddy. I was going to ask him if I could use.
I literally just put it in.
So I could use this. So I could turn off the light and get the
That's one.
light from the window to.
I don't know if it's Marketplace or where I actually got that from. It's been in the... What's old school? She's using pens instead of her pump, that's all. No, it's alright.
Well, you give me 9% to me.
Alright, I might give him a little bit of my chicken breast too. He eats a lot more protein than I do. So we have got, nope, this is honey soy chicken. So that's honey soy chicken. He absolutely loves garlic potatoes, but he doesn't want too many. So you guys know how I normally fill up his plate with carbs. He's only getting a little bit. And I will top up his plate with the vegetables. So he's got cauliflower. He can have as much of this shit as he wants because I fucking don't like it.
What?
Cauliflower.
Oh, I love cauliflower.
Yeah, he loves cauliflower.
Isn't she supposed to use her phone now?
Can you do finger chicken, huh? I'm not watching have it. She can give them crooks.
Right, and then coming in with some broccoli. Do you want a couple of your boiled eggs too, babes?
Oh, yes, please.
And then kids are having exactly the same.
Speak my language.
The kids are having chicken breast, the kids are having garlic potatoes, the kids are having cauliflower and broccoli. The kids get fed before us adults get fed. Ah, motherfucker. That was a piece of glass, Summit.
It's his fault, Tracy.
Don't you fucking blame me.
No, it's Bella's fault. She didn't let me ask Daddy if I could do it.
Okay, and then...
It's not my fault either.
Okay, enough. And then, Olivia, turn the light on, please. Turn on your guys' light.
Just sit down.
Yeah, 100% they're fed first. And then we're coming in with some soy eggs. He's gonna. Do you want 2 or 3? There's heaps here.
3, please. I'm pretty hungry.
You haven't eaten all day. You've had a couple of. If you guys, you guys have one in your lunch if you want.
Yeah, I didn't even have
Aren't you
breakfast this
making
morning.
us our lunch?
Well, if you got, if you guys get your,
I was supposed to have a breakfast.
yeah.
We ran out of time.
So that's Jeremy's with the extra protein. Here we go, my love.
Can you?
Yeah, I'll put it up here.
Excuse me, Tracy. After you and Daddy did feed us.
Yeah, no, that's right. Athela's just reminded me while she's sitting down eating her kai. Can you just go eat? Thank you.
Go there.
Not right now. Silly wiener.
Damn.
Can everyone can get like this little
And then,
stuff. It doesn't necessarily kill bacteria.
yeah, so Athela's just informed us that we don't feed them. Thank you for the finger hearts while she's sitting there eating her kai. Thank you for the roses. So I'm going to come in with my little bit of chicken.
Feels like 99.9% of it. So if you're going to get sick from 0.1% germs, deserve it.
Now,
You've obviously put somebody else.
I'm just going to have broccoli because I don't like cauliflower and I would rather... I cook them till they're hard boiled and then they can stay in the fridge for a good 3 to 4 days. But the juice can actually last up to a week. So I do use the juice up for a week. Once the eggs are done, I boil some more. I just want a little bit of that.
Am I having my chair back or are you?
You can have your chair back. No, you can have your chair back. I'm going to come in with some avocado. I can do it to eat with me tonight, guys.
Where the fuck is the remote from?
And no light goal either, just because I'm in a good mood. It's been an amazing weekend.
Well, you're already standing up. Why don't you just change the setting of the button?
You should have seen the amount of shit I made Taylor buy me. Gone with one bag, came back with 3.
Shit. It is a delicious dinner for a Sunday. You're coming for dinner?
No.
There's no more chicken left, so if you're going to hurry up, come on.
Oh,
We've had a busy weekend today, this weekend. So I'm coming in with a whole avocado. Yes, I am. I love avocado.
black and white's just disappeared.
I've seen it somewhere. Where have I seen it?
Oh, these bloody kids have lost it.
Oh, they probably.
It's always them.
It's always the kids. Always blame the kids.
Always blame kids.
I'm running. Tell Izzy to meet me halfway. Lexi's coming for dinner. Meet her halfway, she said. She's running. Yes, your cousin Lexi.
She can't fucking run.
She said she can't run. So yeah, so that's my Kai.
Walk a fucking far distance. Tell them to tell you the story.
Well, Snapchat me the story, and I'm going to come in with some tomatoes as well. Because the last thing on my plate that I will most likely eat is my potatoes. She says she can hobble. She's got sad face.
You're not even allowed to
I'm very excited.
go that far, girly pop.
Girly part.
I heard the story, man.
Who told you the story?
Her.
So let's. Yeah.
Imagine. Ah, shame. I need to sneeze.
Mmm.
Sugar got me, baby boo. I got hit by a car, Mum. It was very sad.
How the hell did you get hit by a car? Were you driving?
If she was hit by a car, how would she be driving?
I got hit by a car when I was driving.
I mean, like, she was walking.
Poor Summit's waiting to eat his Kai, but he's having a hypo. No, you can't just look it. Oh, yeah, because your desk's a mess. Hey, Soph. Yeah, that's one. You can hold that, please.
You want everything from me today. Want.
Where's the tripod?
Shut up all week. I wasn't asking your opinion.
Summit, we've had enough noise from you kids today. No more. Now we can eat Kai.
Hey, sorry.
Ow. Oh. There we go. Let's bring you guys up a little bit so you guys don't get an eyeful of something that you don't want an eyeful from. Oh shit, it's hot. Oh.
5.0.
Huh?
5.0.
What? How many carbs got sat for the fridge?
Why is that?
Right down. Well, only 22 grams. Hmm?
Correct.
Yep.
There we go. You do a backflip. Yeah, we haven't actually eaten much today. We've been out on the road, and because we're trying to eat healthy, I will say I had an ice block.
I didn't. Needle.
Do you want a medal or just to put it on? Needle.
Bye.
So we're a little bit hungry today. This sauce is really yummy. You know, I got a bit too much sun. Yeah, I was going to do a roast potato sometime next week, I think. I got some sun all weekend and I love it. With working in an office all day, it's amazing to be able to spend some time in the sun. And so the carbs are just there in case. Oh yeah, I go such a beautiful olive colour. It's great. Carbs will be the last thing I eat on my plate. First thing on Jeremy's. He loves his garlic potatoes.
Mm.
Yeah, we do our own. We had it done free through Jim's lawn mowing. Jeremy was like, no, I'll do it. And then the weather turned to shit, so it's been a little bit since it happened. I work in an office, so I don't get the sun unless I get my legs out while we're out vaping. And then generally I wear a skirt because it's warm, and then it's like, oh shit, I've got to remember to sit like a lady.
Maybe.
She don't got any baby born. Look what I got one.
That's cool.
It's how much it was.
How much?
Yes.
26.
My big actually. I don't actually know what numbers are the 20s. I was gonna get the $11 one from Kmart, but I didn't really have any.
No, this feed is really good and really healthy. It's honey soy. Mm.
Smell this.
Not my smell.
My smell.
But whose pink perfume was left on the bench?
Mine.
Oh, sweet, I've been using that.
This for me.
Matthew.
Yeah.
Fuck, I'm getting all the answers right. I'm from Hamilton, New Zealand.
Here's more of my whole. Two of these.
Get the cat off the table. Oh.
Two of these, one for my face, one for my legs.
Cool.
I only got one for my face and one for my legs because my face is really like, how do I say it?
Break it up. I'll dry.
And then my makeup doesn't look good. So.
Yeah. Yeah, I've heard of Mere Mere. We drove past there today.
Oh, wait.
We went out to Auckland today.
I'm actually gonna start my.
No!
Okay.
Baby wipe, quick, please.
I don't know where the baby wipes are.
Oh, fucking look.
Where's his baby wipes that was in his bag?
Oh, it might be in the car because Belle had them. Thank you. Oh, look, it's staying. It's my favourite t-shirt. This should be alright. Thank you for the Hartman's soapy water. Oh yeah, he got no patience. Because it's just, it's like they don't think. I don't know where. When really, if they thought about it, they do know where. It's just, I don't know. Hey. Plus they're all tired, so they're all going to bed early tonight. Thank you. He might have 20/20 vision, but I think he's going deaf in his old age.
What?
Your TV's so loud, they're saying. I said you might have 22.
No, I can hear it fine. I just fucking, someone's lost the fucking remote.
You want to
Have
down?
lost the remote.
We'll have a look. It's probably in the washing.
Fucking look.
Auckland was lovely. It's always nice catching up with family. Back of my arm, I've got a Dexcom.
I fell asleep.
The best tomatoes ever.
Like at the start of it, I fell asleep.
The saucy stuff is honey soy.
You're like such a light after this. Like you're looking at after.
I never sit at the dinner table. It's a four-seater. It's for the kids.
Not this good though.
I'm good, thanks, Tess. How are you? Okay.
Pardon me,
go up.
please.
Where is it?
She was right next to it.
Oh. Ollie! Bring down Jeremy's drink, please.
Just on the table, on my desk.
No. Choking on his pie.
Oh.
Olivia Bubble. Thank you.
Can you pass my other one, please?
Lola, leave Oreo alone. We don't. If you don't like it, scroll on.
I think Kate wants a more cucumber. You're scaring off me.
Oh, was he?
Yeah.
He needs to finish what's...
Oh, fucking Pepsi on my desk.
Hard life, guys.
It's a hard life. Oh, everyone's got opinions.
And washing.
At the end of the day, I don't give a fuck what your opinion is. Could you not keep your opinions to yourself? Oh, I'm not going to be able to eat all these. That's me, I'm done.
So,
Some still going.
Is this one?
No, that's rubbish, honey.
Angels.
Thank you.
I like to Wait, Mom.
I would too if we had tomato sauce. Thank you for the tiny diny. I am sunburnt.
If I unload, because I'm in, if I unload for Summit, can Summit rinse and dry for me? I mean, rinse and load for me? If I unload?
Yeah, because he's still eating.
Yes, I'm gonna unload. Oh, unloading. That's my fault.
I am sunburnt. But I am, it shouldn't blister. It should actually turn to I go really nice olive. Come here. What you doing, pretty girl? I love the tiny dinies. They're so cute.
There you go. I did arrows.
You have had your kai too, haven't you? Did you finish your kai? Creed? Did you finish your kai? Yep, good boy. I won't show him. He's got only a nappy on. He's so hot. He seemed alright today. But it's actually really nice. We've got him some really nice summer clothes. And he's got like this basketball singlet, a brown one from Posty Plus. Oh, that's so good, not gonna lie. And the matching basketball shorts from Posty. They're miles too big. Luckily they've got a really good drawstring on them. But it was so cute seeing him in that today. Jeremy brought it out. He goes, "Can he wear these?" I was like, "Yeah." Don't scratch because it hurts. Biologically, I've got 6 children. Biologically, Jeremy's got 4. Okay, so how I cooked it is I had, I think it was like 5 or 6 chicken breasts. I put it in a casserole dish. I literally just poured a jar of honey soy over it, sprinkled it with what? Smoked paprika. Covered it with tin foil, put it in the oven and forgot about it until it was cooked. And honestly, it was really moist, eh? For chicken breast. Like, I even am proud of myself for that chicken breast because I don't like chicken breast because it goes very dry. Whereas that tonight was so moist. Like, yeah. Hi, Spooky Belle. You're very welcome, Leanne. I've got to do a bit more videos of cook with me so you guys can like save the videos if you're needing to know what to do, and then do like a live dish up and a live eat with me. I think that there might be a little bit. He's watching Futurama and Creed's like, oh, he loves Futurama. It's really warm tonight. You can tell summer's coming. I'm loving it. Olivia started complaining. I was like, don't you complain, girl. I've been waiting for this weather for so long. This is my element, is the nice hot weather. Yeah, well, we did gardening. Well, not gardening. We mowed the lawns. We did the garden.
Have you finished your dinner? No. Yeah. Don't do my plate. I'll put a toothpick down here, please.
And then we came inside, chilled out for a little bit. And then we went out the front and we did a weeding of one of the big gardens. I know. I don't think it was very often he wore Yeah, I don't think it was very often he wore long pants or a jumper.
Down here. And then hold my chest.
Yeah, and then today we spent a bit of time outside in the sun at his parents' house, and then we spent all our time outside at his sister and brother's house. And then I was like, oh, I'll just take Austin back to my house, and since my daughter Taylor was going to be dropping off, thank you for the heart, me, dropping off Isabel, she can just take Austin, and she's like, no. I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm not arguing with you. You know, you're just being silly. I dropped off Austin, picked up Belle, came home. But the whole time she's like, I just want to get home to my puppy. I think it was the longest she's been at home by herself. She's getting you. We're all good. Are you playing your game tonight though? Yeah, so I'll probably get Creed sorted, leave the older kids to Jeremy. I'm going to have a reset shower, and I'll probably jump into bed and read a book tonight. Jeremy's going to have a bit of Xbox time because he hasn't been on it much lately. Yeah, I am very excited. A friend of mine had her baby recently, and that was really exciting too. Oh, nice. I can't wait for barbecue weather. Yes, so Paige, which is my eldest, she's a dairy farmer. Then Taylor, which is my second eldest, she was a healthcare assistant, but was basically married to a dairy farmer, and now she's becoming a nanny and looking after an 8-month-old. I think she said 8-month-old little boy. Austin, he wants to get into nails, and I'm not too sure about Isabel, what she wants to do. Are you being gentle with her? So, hi. Okay, leave that. Can you go put a t-shirt on if you're going to say hello?
Hello.
Hello. You going to eat Mummy's potato?
Mom, I'm done.
Can you take this up, please, baby girl? Seems you're right there. He's had such a clumsy fucking weekend, man. So he was playing with Lola under the table, and he has a habit of kicking the legs of the chair, and he kicked it and it started fully, and I didn't get to it in time, and the back of the chair landed on his forehead, so he's got a bruise here. He's got a bruise on his cheek from daycare, and then after the shower last night, Jeremy wrapped him up in his towel and he was walking to the lounge, and he fell, and obviously his arms went out to brace himself, and he's got a little carpet burn under his chin. And then, so I spent all day today, especially at his uncle's house, and they've got like a small concrete retaining wall that goes from the lawn onto their outdoor patio. And I was like freaking out the whole time because he's so clumsy at the moment. And I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna have to try and reach him if he tries to pull. But no, fell over a couple of times, but luckily it was on the grass.
The big brain, I'm winning again. I am the queen.
Yeah, but
now I am leaving Earth.
oh, he's always clumsy though. Thank you for the heart puff. My weekend has been amazing.
The big brain is defeated. Let what must be done.
Told you before, you have your own space to do that in.
Yes, nobody wants to see you shake it like a Polaroid picture. Off you go. Go shake it in your bedroom. Your mother.
Go shake them, nothing's...
I am your mother. You listen to me. Hey, Ames. Hey, Dee, how are you?
And so life returned to normal.
Well, I'm done anyway, so hold on.
I'm going to come and check your bedrooms in a minute. They haven't had their phones since Thursday. And you would think that they would have pulled finger to get their phones. No, I'm going to go check it. So we worked in the yard all weekend. We had a movie marathon with the kids last night. Olivia fell asleep on the couch while watching it. Got up this morning, went to Narrawahia, out to Jeremy's parents' farm. Thank you for the heart, me. Up to Auckland to pick up Austin from his boyfriends. Went round to Jeremy's brother and sisters. Drove to outskirts of Morrinsville to drop off Austin, pick up Isabel. And then, oh no, did it finish? Would you like to have a shower first? Should Mummy say goodbye and we jump in the shower?
Oh. No. The fuck?
Are you stuck?
I'm stuck.
You got it? We're good, thank you. Thank you for the Go Popular. Yes.
Oh, get the fucking cat out of the box.
Get out of the box.
Would you like me to?
Oh.
Hey, it's my phone.
Yeah, to get her out.
Not it. Wait. No.
Shake the cat, make sure there's no feathers in there.
Look it.
Oh, thank you.
Fuck off, your mongrel.
People will figure out now.
Huh?
Would you like to play?
Not right now. Thank you. Maybe later.
What one are you playing? What one are you playing?
I'll just move the new ones with controls. I just moved these new games that I bought yesterday.
Oh yeah.
It was a 2-pack. Prototype and Prototype 2.
Prototype and Prototype 2, if anybody knows what that is. That's what he's playing. But I am going to jump off, guys. I've got to organise Creed for a shower. Evening, Smiley. How are you? Lola. Lola. Mummy's baby, eh? Amazing weekend, just very tiring. I had this call me the C word all over. He asking for something back. That's not very nice of him at all. Yoda! Oh, he's got a toy. I was wondering what the hell was in his mouth.
Would you like me to do 2 other jobs? Because Olivia unloaded the dishwasher for some reason and the rubbish bin outside is full. Haven't been in.
Alright, can you rinse it and load the dishwasher?
Yeah.
Alright, good boy. Yeah, well, she's done one of yours, so you can just do that one because you've got no rubbish to empty right now.
Yeah, the bins.
Bins are full because Jeremy spent like ages in the garage like cleaning it out. So that's probably going to be full for the next 3 to 4 weeks because he's really clearing it out. His dad's going to come, his dad and his stepmom are going to come and help him because we don't have a ute and a trailer. So going to take the couch that we can't give away because nobody wants it. They just want pristine shit for free. The extendable table that we had, there's nothing wrong with it. They don't like it because they don't like the chairs. Okay. Just people seem to be getting very fussy with free items nowadays. So then he's just going to take it to the dump, but he is keeping the table because the table is really nice.
My name is Alex.
No, he's my father-in-law decided to change drenching to the sheet for next weekend. So we're actually next weekend going out and spending the night out at his parents' farm. So we could drench the sheep, have a nice dinner. Once Creed goes down, I'll probably have a few drinks with Mel. And then, yeah, see what Sunday brings. Yeah, the other kids won't be with us, but we're going up to Auckland on the 13th of December. It's basically worming, I think. They worm the sheep, so they like put something to the back of their throat and like drench it. Or is it the back of the neck? I don't know. I've never done it before. Is it the back of the neck when you drench, or is it a needle?
No, drenching's to the mouth, isn't it?
Yeah.
Shove a straw in its mouth.
Something like that, but it's like worming. But yeah, I am going to go. Hey, Lily. I'm going to go. I'm absolutely exhausted. Yeah, well, we're only going to his brother and sister's house, and we're going to stay the night up there with all the kids. We're going to have an early, that's really loud, an early Christmas thing.
Well, I don't know if they're motors.
But yeah, I'll see you guys later. And Jeremy, are you doing cooking tomorrow night? It is pork stir fry. Or did you want me to do that? So Jeremy's going to be doing a pork stir fry for dinner tomorrow night. So he'll probably go live. Love you guys.